Decor Designs, your go-to source for elevating your living spaces, both indoors and out. Today, we're stepping outside to explore a design aesthetic that truly stands the test of time, the classic outdoor living space design ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In a world of fleeting trends, the classic approach offers an enduring sense of comfort, elegance, and functionality that can transform your backyard into a true extension of your home. We're going to delve into what defines this style, why it's such a beneficial choice, how to effectively decorate it, and what essential items will bring your vision to life. Let's begin by establishing a clear understanding of what classic outdoor living space truly signifies. A classic outdoor living space is defined by its adherence to timeless design principles, emphasizing symmetry, balance, and a harmonious integration with nature. It's not about fleeting trends or overly contemporary aesthetics, rather, it focuses on enduring comfort, sophistication, and a sense of permanence. This style often draws inspiration from traditional architectural elements, formal gardens, and historical design movements, yet it is adapted for modern functionality. Think of spaces that evoke a sense of established elegance, where natural materials, refined craftsmanship, and thoughtful layouts create an inviting and enduring environment. It's a space designed for longevity, providing a sense of comfort and understated luxury that never goes out of style. The emphasis is on creating an outdoor area that feels substantial, well-appointed, and seamlessly connected to the architectural style of the main residence, promoting relaxation, entertainment, and a deep appreciation for the outdoors. Now that we understand its essence, let's explore the compelling reasons why choosing a classic outdoor living space is such a wise investment for your home. Opting for a classic outdoor living space offers a multitude of benefits, extending beyond mere aesthetics. Firstly, its timeless appeal ensures longevity in design. Unlike trendy alternatives that quickly become dated, a classic design retains its charm and relevance for years, even decades. This translates into a wise investment, as you won't feel the need for frequent overhauls. Secondly, classic designs often enhance property value. The inherent quality, durable materials, and sophisticated aesthetic are highly appealing to potential buyers, making your home more attractive on the market. Thirdly, these spaces promote a sense of calm and relaxation. The emphasis on natural materials, balanced compositions, and comfortable furnishings creates an inviting atmosphere conducive to unwinding, entertaining, and enjoying the outdoors. Finally, the use of robust and natural materials, often associated with classic designs, contributes to their durability and low maintenance, ensuring that your outdoor oasis remains beautiful with minimal effort over time. With the advantages clear, the next logical step is to understand how to transform your vision into a beautifully executed reality. Let's talk about decorating. Decorating a classic outdoor living space to achieve a polished and inviting look involves a thoughtful selection of elements that reinforce the timeless aesthetic. Begin with a strong foundation of durable, natural materials for your main structures, such as stone, brick, wrought iron, or dark wood. These materials inherently exude a classic appeal. When it comes to furniture, prioritize pieces with clean lines and sturdy construction, opting for materials like teak, wrought iron, or all-weather wicker in muted, natural tones. Avoid overly modern or excessively ornate designs. Introduce comfort and visual interest with textiles. Consider strategic uplighting to highlight architectural features or mature trees. Landscaping is paramount. Integrate traditional garden elements like manicured hedges, perennial borders, and classic urns or planters. Select plants that complement the timeless aesthetic, such as hydrangeas, roses, boxwood, or formal topiaries. Finally, accessorize thoughtfully with items that enhance the classic feel without cluttering the space. Garden sculptures, bird baths, antique-inspired fountains, or oversized decorative pots can serve as elegant focal points, bringing a refined touch to your outdoor sanctuary. Remember, the goal is to create a cohesive and harmonious environment that feels both sophisticated and welcoming. Building on our decorating strategies, let's pinpoint the specific items that are truly essential for crafting that quintessential classic outdoor living space. Selecting the right items is crucial for establishing and enhancing a classic outdoor living space. Here's a breakdown of the best choices. First, substantial seating. Invest in high-quality outdoor sofas, armchairs, and dining chairs made from durable materials like solid teak, wrought iron, or high-grade all-weather wicker. Look for classic silhouettes that prioritize comfort and longevity. Second, a robust dining set. A well-built outdoor dining table and chairs are central to entertaining. Choose materials like cast aluminum, stone, or reclaimed wood for a timeless appeal. Third, classic outdoor rugs. An outdoor rug can define a space and add warmth and texture. Opt for durable, weather-resistant materials and understated patterns or solid colors that complement your overall palette. Fourth, elegant lighting fixtures. Beyond functional lighting, incorporate decorative elements such as traditional lanterns, wall sconces, or string lights with a warm glow to create an inviting evening ambience. Fifth, ornate or classic planters or urns. Large, decorative planters made from terracotta, cast iron, or stone are perfect for housing structured plants like boxwood, hydrangeas, or even small trees, adding a touch of formality. Sixth, a timeless fire feature. A classic fire pit or an outdoor fireplace made of stone or brick provides a focal point and extends the usability of your space into cooler evenings. Seventh, water features. A simple, elegant fountain or bird bath can introduce soothing sounds and a sense of tranquility, reinforcing the classic garden aesthetic. Eighth, garden benches. A sturdy garden bench, perhaps made of wrought iron or wood, offers an additional seating option and can serve as a charming accent piece in a quiet corner. Ninth, decorative garden elements. Consider a classic garden sculpture, a sundial, or an elegant trellis to add visual interest and a sense of established history to your outdoor area. 10th, quality outdoor textiles. Cushions, throw pillows, and outdoor blankets made from fade-resistant and weather-resistant fabrics in classic patterns or solid, sophisticated colors are essential for comfort and style. Each of these items contributes to building a cohesive, functional, and aesthetically pleasing classic outdoor living space that you'll enjoy for years to come. Now, let's translate these principles into tangible inspiration. Here are 10 best classic outdoor living space ideas to spark your imagination and help you envision your perfect outdoor sanctuary. 1. The formal patio with wrought iron accents. Imagine a bluestone or travertine patio laid in a classic pattern, furnished with elegant wrought iron seating and tables. Add lush potted hydrangeas and soft outdoor cushions in cream or navy. This creates a refined, European-inspired feel perfect for sophisticated gatherings. 2. The English garden room. Design a secluded area within your garden, perhaps with a gravel floor, surrounded by manicured hedges and climbing roses. Place a classic garden bench or a small bistro set under a pergola draped with wisteria, offering a charming spot for afternoon tea or quiet contemplation. 3. The rustic stone courtyard. Utilize natural stone paving and walls to create a warm, inviting courtyard. Furnish with substantial wooden furniture, perhaps a rustic dining table and benches, and accent with terracotta pots overflowing with herbs and Mediterranean plants. This evokes a sense of established country charm. 4. The grand veranda with columns. If your home features a large veranda, emphasize its architectural grandeur. Furnish with comfortable, deep-seated wicker or teak furniture, accented with oversized classic urns filled with topiaries. Overhead fans and subtle lighting can enhance the relaxed, luxurious atmosphere. 5. The lakeside retreat with Adirondacks. For waterfront properties, a classic approach involves comfortable Adirondack chairs in natural wood tones or subtle greens, strategically placed to capture views. Add a simple stone fire pit and perhaps a small, traditional boathouse nearby, creating a relaxed yet timeless escape. 6. The secret garden nook. Create a small, intimate space tucked away in a corner of your garden. Pave with old bricks or stepping stones, add a small wrought iron bench, and surround with fragrant, overgrown roses and climbing vines. This offers a serene, almost magical classic retreat. 7. The classic outdoor kitchen and dining. Integrate a well-designed outdoor kitchen with stone or brick cladding, featuring a built-in grill and ample counter space. Pair this with a large, sturdy outdoor dining table and comfortable chairs, ideal for al fresco entertaining with a traditional flair. 8. The Mediterranean-inspired terrace. Utilize warm-toned terracotta tiles for your terrace floor. Incorporate stucco walls, wrought iron balustrades, and plenty of large, classic pottery filled with olive trees, bougainvillea, and fragrant jasmine. Furniture can be made of dark wood or classic white wrought iron. 9. The four-season enclosed porch. If you have an enclosed porch, transform it into a year-round classic oasis. Use traditional tiling or wood flooring, comfortable upholstered furniture, and classic lighting fixtures. Integrate large windows or glass panels to maintain the connection to the outdoors, making it a true extension of your home. 10. The formal fire pit gathering area. Create a dedicated gathering space around a substantial, custom-built stone or brick fire pit. Arrange comfortable, classic Adirondack chairs or built-in stone benches around it. Frame the area with low, manicured hedges or classic garden lighting to define the space. As we conclude our exploration of classic outdoor living spaces, remember that the true beauty of this design philosophy lies in its ability to create environments that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also profoundly comfortable and enduring. By focusing on quality materials, timeless design, and thoughtful integration with your home's architecture, you can craft an outdoor sanctuary that provides joy and relaxation for generations. Thank you for joining us on Homes Decor Designs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor and design content. We're always here to help you create the home of your dreams, both inside and out.